Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you through the 10 best places to visit in Seoul, South Korea. From the iconic Gyeongbokgung Palace to the vibrant streets of Myeongdong, we'll explore must-see attractions, hidden gems, and cultural treasures that make this city so special. Whether you're planning a trip or just love learning about new destinations, you're in for an exciting ride. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite Seoul spot. Let's dive into Seoul's best. 1. Established in 1395 during the Joseon dynasty, Gyeongbokgung Palace stands as Seoul's most prominent royal residence and a symbol of Korea's rich cultural heritage. Originally constructed as the center of political power and royal life, its majestic halls, intricate pavilions, and serene gardens exemplify traditional Korean architecture. Although it suffered extensive damage during periods of invasion and colonial rule, careful restoration has revived its historic splendor. Today, the palace offers visitors a captivating journey into Korea's illustrious past, where art, history, and architecture converge in a breathtaking display of cultural pride. A rich past echoes in grand walls. 2. Myeongdong Shopping Street is Seoul's premier shopping and fashion district, attracting millions of visitors each year. Known for its vibrant energy, it features a mix of high-end brands, trendy boutiques, and countless skincare and cosmetic stores, making it a paradise for beauty enthusiasts. Street food stalls line the bustling alleys, offering delicious Korean snacks like tteokbokki, hotteok, and odeng. As night falls, neon lights and music create a lively atmosphere, making it a must-visit for shoppers and tourists alike. Whether for retail therapy, food adventures, or the electric vibe, Myeongdong is an unforgettable experience in the heart of Seoul. 3. Seoul Tower, perched atop Namsan Mountain, is one of Seoul's most iconic landmarks. Originally built as a communication tower in 1969, it now serves as a major tourist attraction, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city from its observatory. The tower is especially popular among couples who leave love locks on the fences as a symbol of their eternal bond. At night, its colorful LED lighting creates a stunning spectacle. Visitors can also enjoy fine dining, cultural exhibitions, and scenic trails leading up to the tower. A visit to Seoul Tower promises an unforgettable experience of Seoul's beauty and charm. 4. Insadong is Seoul's cultural heart, where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. Famous for its charming alleys lined with antique shops, art galleries, and tea houses, it offers a glimpse into Korea's rich heritage. Visitors can find handcrafted souvenirs, calligraphy brushes, hanbok, traditional clothing, and pottery reflecting centuries-old craftsmanship. The area is also known for its street performances, cultural events, and delicious traditional snacks like hotteok and tteok. Whether exploring hidden courtyards, sipping tea in a Hanok-style cafe, or admiring local artistry, Insadong provides an authentic and immersive Korean cultural experience. 5. Bukchon Hanok Village is a historic neighborhood in Seoul, showcasing beautifully preserved Hanok, traditional Korean houses, from the Joseon dynasty. Nestled between Gyeongbokgung and Cheonggyecheon palaces, the village offers a glimpse into Korea's past with its narrow alleys, tiled roofs, and wooden courtyards. Many Hanok now serve as cultural centers, ghost houses, and tea houses, allowing visitors to experience traditional Korean lifestyle. The area's elevated spots provide stunning views of modern Seoul blending with historical architecture. A visit to Bukchon Hanok Village is a journey back in time, offering a serene escape amidst the city's bustling energy. 6. Cheonggyecheon Stream is a tranquil urban oasis in the heart of Seoul, stretching 11 kilometers through the city. Once covered by highways, it was restored in 2005 as part of a major revitalization project. Now, the stream features scenic walking paths, stone bridges, and cascading waterfalls, offering a peaceful retreat amid the city's skyscrapers. At night, illuminated fountains and seasonal light displays enhance its charm. Popular for leisurely strolls and cultural events, Cheonggyecheon symbolizes Seoul's successful blend of nature, history, and modern urban design, making it a must-visit for both locals and tourists. Seven. Bukhansan National Park, located in northern Seoul, is a haven for nature lovers and hiking enthusiasts. Known for its breathtaking granite peaks, lush forests, and serene temples, the park offers a perfect escape from the city's hustle. Its well-maintained trails lead to stunning viewpoints, including Bongeunsa, the highest peak at 836 meters, which provides panoramic views of Seoul. Along the way, hikers can discover ancient Buddhist temples, fortress walls, and diverse wildlife. Whether for a challenging hike or a peaceful retreat, Bukhansan National Park is a must-visit destination for those seeking adventure and natural beauty. Eight. Lotte World Tower, soaring 555 meters high, is South Korea's tallest building and the fifth tallest in the world. Located in Seoul's Jamsil district, this 123-story skyscraper is a symbol of modern innovation and luxury. It houses a mix of retail, office spaces, a luxury hotel, residences, and the Seoul Sky Observatory, which offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the city. The tower's sleek design is inspired by traditional Korean ceramics and calligraphy. With fine dining, an aquarium, and cultural spaces, Lotte World Tower is a must-visit landmark that blends entertainment, shopping, and stunning cityscapes. 9. Starfield Library, located inside Starfield CX Mall in Seoul's Gangnam district, is a breathtaking public space that blends literature, art, and architecture. Featuring towering 13-meter-high bookshelves and a vast collection of books and magazines, it offers a unique reading experience in a stunning open setting. With its warm lighting, stylish seating areas, and frequent cultural events, the library is a popular spot for book lovers, photographers, and visitors seeking a peaceful retreat. Whether enjoying a good read, admiring the design, or attending a literary event, Starfield Library is a must-visit gem in the heart of Seoul. 10. Bongeunsa Temple, located in the heart of Seoul near the COEX Mall, is a serene and historic Buddhist temple dating back to 794 AD. This peaceful oasis amidst the bustling city offers visitors a glimpse into traditional Korean Buddhist practices and architecture. The temple grounds feature beautiful pagodas, a large statue of the Maitreya Buddha, and tranquil gardens, making it an ideal place for meditation and reflection. Bongeunsa also hosts cultural programs, including temple stays and traditional ceremonies, allowing visitors to experience Korean spirituality firsthand. Its perfect blend of history and tranquility makes it a must-visit in Seoul.